What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of Funnel X ROI. Before I get into my review though, if you like to see videos and learn about how to make money online, passive income, create the life that you want without having to be stuck to a 9-to-5 job, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you just that. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. And as I'm creating that life that I want, that same life, just like you want, I'm going to share my results with you, as well as give product reviews and teach you the latest tactics and strategies that are out there on the make money online affiliate marketing niche. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, guys. So Funnel X ROI. Funnel X ROI, before I get into the back office, is all about creating multiple streams of income. If you ask Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Gary Vee, Russell Brunson, the millionaires and billionaires out here, they do not have only one source of income. They have multiple streams of income, guys. They have at least 4 streams of income, right? So whenever you have the chance to create multiple streams of income where you don't have to work at every one of those jobs, will be awesome. Yeah, you can go out there and get 4, part-time jobs or 1 full-time job and work a part-time job in the evening, a part-time job overnight, and a part-time job in the morning, but you'll get burnt out, right? And you can't really enjoy all the money you're making. So it's best to set up a system that creates revenue streams just coming in, consistent passive income coming in, right? And the only way you can do that is creating multiple revenue streams, okay? And so that's what Funnel X ROI does for you. So let's go here in the back office. Here's my YouTube channel, guys. Go ahead and subscribe. It will be my logo here will be in your right corner. The right corner, well, your right, my left corner. Okay, so go ahead and hit that button or in the link in the description. But Funnel X ROI, guys, here is the back office, right? If you want to check out Funnel X ROI, go ahead and check it out. It'll be the first link down in the description below this video, and it'll say my number one recommendation for making a full-time income online. All right, that's Funnel X ROI. You can check it out for free. It does not cost anything for you to check it out. Okay, but Funnel X ROI, right? There's 4 streams of income. You have, and it's easy to set all of this whole system up, right? It's already done for you. All you have to do is create an account for each one of these systems, and Funnel X ROI will put them all together and link it to your account. So it's already working for you, right, in the background. But the 4 systems that they have are Easy One Up, ROI Panel, Get Response, and the Pay Per Lead. So the Pay Per Lead one is free, right? Easy One Up is also free. You don't have to pay for anything to be a part of Easy One Up. But in order for you to make commissions for Easy One Up, you have to purchase the product, right? And in the product, it's just not like a MLM. It does come with training on how to grow your brand online, how to make passive income, how to dominate on social media. So it teaches you all of this as well with the product. But in order for you to make money with it, you have to purchase a certain level of the program. Okay. So Easy One Up ROI Panel is a software or system that helps you track your traffic, right? And it helps you get more traffic and convert leads. And you get a commission off of those you refer to the program. And Get Response is an autoresponder where you can, as you're grabbing these leads, when you have them, they're yours. You don't have to pay for them again, and you can just email market them whenever you want for free. And that's what Get Response does. Get Response helps you to capture those leads, as well as be able to email them whenever you want to with the press of a button. You can right now schedule your whole month's worth of emails to your email list one day and won't have to touch it again. And it just makes money for you. And then Pay Per Lead. Pay Per Lead is free. And that's the Funnel X ROI Pay Per Lead. So when you refer someone to Funnel X ROI, you get $1. They don't have to pay anything for the Pay Per Lead. You just automatically get that dollar for referring them and them signing up for an account under you. Okay, but all of this goes back to getting leads. The more leads you have, the more potential you have for making passive income, right? And this system, Funnel X ROI, helps you to do that. Okay, so let's count the streams of income. It's 1, easy one up, 2, ROI panel, 3, get response, and 4, pay per lead. Guys, that's 4 streams of income. And how many on average does a millionaire, how many streams of income does a millionaire have on average? 4, at least 4. So if you get that down pat, guys, check out the system below and you'll just set it up, drive traffic, and watch you be on your way to the life that you want. Okay, so here's Funnel X ROI, the back office. What you'll do is you'll use the link down in my description. You use that link, and then you'll start here. And you watch the first video, and it just takes you step by step. It only takes like 20 minutes to set all of this up, right? And you have easy one up, get response, ROI panel, and then the pay per lead system. Once you set all that up, it's done. And after that, you get your links, and you'll have your links to promote. And it has all the different lead capture page links. Lead capture pages are already done for you, right? All you have to do is use this link that's tied to your username specifically, and then drive traffic to that link. And they have multiple lead pages you can choose from. I think it's like 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. At 12, and then they have some banners here that you can use also. So they give you the tools, some Facebook posts, examples that you could use. They give you all the tools, guys, that you need. Also some email swipes beforehand. All you have to do is set it up. Right now I'm using the 12th one, the 12th capture page, this one here. It seems to be doing well for me. And you'll just set it up and you'll be good to go, guys. 4 streams of income set up for you all in this one system. Like, there's no other program other than the 4%. The 4% has this also. But the Funnel X ROI is a very high converting offer and program that you can use that really teaches you how to set up an affiliate marketing business, an online business, and start making money in the process. Okay. So again, I would say go ahead and check that link out in the description. Other than that, guys, look, making money online is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but you have to take action, and you have to be consistent with it. Okay. If you don't take action, nothing will happen. And if you don't be consistent with it, nothing will continue to happen. You can make $100 today, but you can spend that within 5 minutes. So consistent action brings more return down the line. So go ahead and take action today and be consistent with that action. All right. And if you enjoyed this content, if it offered you some value, or if my review of Funnel X ROI was good for you, if it was offered you great value and great insight of the product, go ahead and like this video and comment below if you're using Funnel X ROI and what you think about it. Okay. And don't forget, also subscribe to this channel. Because I would love to have you support me, and I will support you also. And if you already are a subscriber, thanks for watching my video and being part of my community. I'm continuing to offer you value where I can, and that's all I have, guys. So I will see you all tomorrow. Oh, and also post comments below of some video ideas that you want to see. What do you need in your making money online, or your online business journey? What kind of value, content, and services or resources do you need, so that I can find out how to get that and offer it to you if I can't. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.